Okay YouTube, it's been about a week since I last posted because I've been away. I thought I'd just do a little quick update. I've got 14 birds here, the prince, the red and the two checkers fly, but I've just got to set all the blues. All the blues are, well, 4 of the blues are Gordon Hughes and 2 of them are 3/4 pilots. And I've got another 2 pilot cross Sheffields in the shed that I'm not going to let out today. They're a bit flighty and I've been away, so I'm going to give them another day on rations. So yeah, the Prince fly, they had an hour earlier, and the red and the 2 checkers, they were out for an hour earlier. So now the energy's been took out of them for now. I've got them back on the loft with these other babies. Come on. Come on. Come on. While we're here, I'm also going to have a look at the other 2 checkers. These 2 checkers, checker whitefly actually. Sheffield cross pilot. All these young ones I'm actually training to come through the door into the kit box. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just so they know their way in and out of the aviary. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right, just like I said, there's only a quick little update. You can see most of the section, the individual boxes are all empty. because I put some away, and I think I've got 6 hens. They're the grizzle hens. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Right, thanks for watching. See you later.